a beginner's guide to buying crypto via peer-to-peer exchanges or P2P exchanges. So hey there, Adapulse family, it's Josh from ATM Stake Pool and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, Adapulse is your trusted source for everything Cardano, funded by the Cardano community through Project Catalyst. In today's video, we're diving into something that's gaining a lot of popularity in the crypto world, peer-to-peer or P2P exchanges. Specifically, how you can buy cryptocurrency using P2P platforms safely and effectively. So P2P exchanges offer a decentralized way for buyers and sellers to trade directly with each other, bypassing the need for traditional intermediaries like banks or whatever. We'll cover what P2P exchanges are, how they work, and some tips on staying safe when using them. And if you're looking for somewhere to stake your ADA, remember to check out ATM Stake Pool. Now, but anyway, let's jump into this. What is a P2P exchange? So what exactly is a P2P exchange? Unlike centralized exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, where a middleman manages the trades and holds your funds, P2P exchanges allow you to trade directly with another person. And it's all done through an online platform, but you and the other party set the terms like price and payment method. So these platforms simply facilitate the transaction by connecting buyers and sellers and holding funds in what's called an escrow until the transaction is complete. The goal here is to provide users more control and flexibility, often with lower fees as well. How do P2P exchanges work? So here's how a typical P2P exchange works. First, you create an account on a P2P platform like Binance P2P, Paxful, or local Bitcoins. And once you're in, you can browse through the listings of sellers or buyers who are looking to trade at a particular cryptocurrency. You select an offer that matches your needs, whether it's price, payment method, or location, and initiate the trade. The platform holds the cryptocurrency in what's called an escrow to ensure both parties are protected. A bit similar to what PayPal does. So once you send the payment using the agreed upon method, whatever that may be, the seller confirms the receipt and the crypto is released into your wallet. It's a straightforward process, but it does require a bit of attention to detail to ensure everything goes smoothly. Advantages of P2P exchanges. Now, why should you consider using P2P exchange instead of a centralized one? Well, first, P2P platforms usually offer a wider variety of payment options. Everything from bank transfers to PayPal, even gift cards in some cases. And it's also great for people in regions where traditional banking options are limited or where centralized exchanges like literally aren't available. I mean, another advantage is the potential for better prices. Since buyers and sellers set their own rates, you might find a bit of a deal that's better than what's offered on centralized exchanges. And let's not forget privacy. Since you're trading directly with another person, there's no need to trust a central authority with your personal data, or your funds for that matter. Staying safe on P2P exchanges. Of course, while P2P exchanges offer a lot of freedom, they also require a bit more vigilance when it comes to security. The key is to follow some of the best practices to ensure you don't fall victim to scams. I've been there before. I'll tell you about it in a minute. But first off, always use platforms that offer escrow services. This ensures that the funds are held securely until both parties complete their side of the trade, if you know what I mean. Like PayPal, as I said earlier. Second, make sure you check the reputation of the person you're trading with. Most P2P platforms have a rating system where users can leave feedback about their trading experience. Always look for traders with high ratings and plenty of positive reviews. If something seems too good to be true, like a price that's way below the market value, it probably is. And in fact, you've also got to do your due diligence on who you're trading with, really. I got caught out, scammed twice, bank closed all my accounts, including my business accounts. For that time being, I was pretty fucked. Popular P2P platforms to get started with. Not sure where to start? Here are a few popular P2P platforms that have built a reputation for being secure and easy to use. So first, there is Binance P2P. It's integrated with Binance's main exchange, so it's got quite a large user base and offers good escrow protection. Another good option is Paxful, which has a lot of payment methods, especially for those outside of, the traditional banking systems. Local Bitcoins is another solid choice, but remember, do your research on who you're dealing with. But it's really good for those who, especially buying Bitcoin with your local currency. And while these are well-known platforms, always do your own research to find the one that fits your needs best. The future of P2P in the crypto world. As crypto adoption continues to grow, P2P exchanges are becoming an important tool for those looking to buy and sell cryptocurrency in a decentralized way, whether it's because of privacy concerns, access to local payment methods, or just avoiding high fees on centralized exchanges. More users are turning to P2P as their go-to option. And as DeFi continues to evolve, we may see even more innovation in the P2P space, like smart contract-driven exchanges that automate the escrow process, making it even safer and easier to trade. How you can get started. So, ready to dive in? Here's how you can get started with a P2P exchange. So first, choose a platform that fits your needs, whether it's Binance P2P, Paxful, or Local Bitcoins. Next, create an account. You've got to verify your identity, most likely, and browse the available offers. Make sure to pick sellers or buyers with good reputation, and always use escrow to protect your funds. And once you've found a good match, agree on the payment method, make the transaction, and your crypto will be released to your wallet. Simple, secure, and decentralized. Conclusion. And that's a beginner's guide to buying crypto via peer-to-peer exchanges. P2P trading offers more flexibility, privacy, and control compared to traditional exchanges, but it also requires a bit more care when it comes to safety. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to Adapulse for more crypto news and Cardano updates brought to you by the Cardano community through Project Catalyst. And don't forget, if you're holding ADA, you can stake it with ATM Stake Pool to earn rewards while supporting decentralization. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you.